Welcome, today in front of me TCL Tab 10 Tab Max, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So now by double press the power key we can see that we have not applied any options, and if you wanna activate Quick Launch from power key button, for example to activate the Quick Launch camera, so let's open the settings and then tap to the advanced features. After that click to the gestures here, and now just to activate this option tap only once on the switcher to Quick Launch camera by press power button twice. So now we can see by double press to the power key that the camera application is turned on. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.